Teething. What a stage. Teething is a really difficult stage for many babies. Others sail through it, but it's always great as a parent to be armed with the facts around teething. So let's talk teething.
One of the common questions we get asked is, when do babies start teething? And it's just very varied depending on the child, to be honest. Some babies actually start teething in the womb, but most babies start with their first bottom 2 teeth around about 5 to 7 months, and they'll get all their 20 teeth throughout their mouth by the time they're 3 years old. Other questions that we get are around about the symptoms and signs of teething. So many people ask us that.
Yeah, how do you know when your baby is starting the teething process? Usually there's some early warning signs: dribbling a lot more than normal, really quite red rosy cheeks, nappy rash, a bit of an upset tummy, and just generally quite gurney, which can actually happen a lot in so many different stages of baby's development, but you usually can tell certainly by their red cheeks as a real giveaway sign.
Yeah, they also want to chew on everything. It's interesting, I spoke to our dentist really early on when my baby was young, and he said actually there's no symptoms of teething. It's all to do with the fact that they put more things in their mouth, they're picking up viruses and they're picking up things that give them fevers. But actually from our experience and many mums that we've spoken to, there are lots and lots of symptoms of teething, and it's definitely related to the teething process.
Yeah, and I think you can understand if you were a baby how it would feel when you've got toothache. It's really sore, you feel a bit grumpy, you're in a bit of pain, and so the kind of things that would help you when you've got toothache that really are going to help your little one. So things like some gentle pain relief, whether it's natural homeopathic teething remedies, teething gels, chewing on something that's cold, it's going to soothe their gums, but also to help with a teething product that's got lots of different surfaces on it to really help break these teeth through the gums, because that's when the relief really comes for the little one.
There's an awful lot of itchiness as well as pain when their teeth are coming through. I think, as you say, cold, I mean, we used to use things like vegetables, carrots, or just a cold flannel on there, or just cool water, and I think simple things like that are really important. And having something that is hygienic, that's there and safe to chew on is so important through that phase.
Yeah, and like any phase, knowing it's going to pass, you're going to get through it, and lots of extra cuddles around teething times, because they're just feeling a bit sorry for themselves.
Absolutely, and they may go off their food as well, but then that's the reason, it's because of their teething. I think it's also important really early on to sort of learn about teeth and what teeth care and what they should be doing. And again, dentists have told us that it's very important to start that process, even if it's twice a day, morning and evening, putting a cold flannel or a baby toothbrush around the teeth, so they get used to it. And it's also like these routines, bed, bath and book. It's just getting that process ready so they get used to cleaning their teeth. And it should roughly be about 2 minutes once they start to get some teeth.
Yeah, first sign of having their teeth, you should really be brushing with a baby toothpaste as well.
Yeah. So listen, let us know if there's any other questions around teething. We can let you know, we can cover that in our Teething Tuesday.
Good luck.